How's it going, everybody? In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a ozone generator. And if you don't know what an ozone generator is, what it does, this is a kind of like an air purification system, but a little different than something, say, like an air sprayer or something like that. So what this does, this will eliminate, cigarette odors, cooking smells, the fire after a fire, and you got that scorch smell, mold and mildew, paint odors, pet, and like feces odors. And this is great for like car interiors, and they give you a breakdown 5 to 10 minutes in cars, kitchens, office, garage, washrooms, living rooms. And what this thing really is, this is something that eliminates odors. What it does, it sucks in the air here, and it uses an ozone process to purify the air, not like a spray that covers it up. This is the box it came in, and I've already been using it. And it's made by the company ONAMOR, maybe is how that is. And this is what it came with, just kind of like a computer type cable, a door hangers. And I will go over some of the precautions and what you want to do when you're using this, because here's a door hanger for it. The user manual, there's not much to using this thing. The thing that you want to remember the most is, here's some of the things. You just want to clean the area, set the thing down, enclose the area, run this for the amount of time, like 30 minutes, and then put the no entry on either the door handle of the car or the bathroom or something like that. Where I use this, I have a van that I camp in, my camping van, and I actually have a power bank in there. And the good thing is, this thing only runs on 100 watts of power, which is very low power consumption. And I put it on like 15 minutes, which I think that's 15, 30, hour, 2 hours, all the way up to 180. So right there. And then you can actually have it on hold, and you can hold it, and there's the off. Pretty simple to use. Set this thing down in there, let it run its course, and then when it's done, it's very important to open everything up. The doors, I open up the doors on all of my van, let it air out for like 30, 40 minutes, and then it's good to go. And the odor was completely eliminated, because I get this musty type kind of mildew odor from camping in there so much, my wet gear and all that. It's just, I mean, it's the nature of that. And every car in general, you want to just run this from time to time. And in my bathroom. So I also ran it in my bathroom. Once again, I let it run for 30 minutes. It shut itself off. I came back, I opened all the windows, and I was good to go. And then the room was fine. And after that, I smell no kind of like, and now I don't smell any type of mildew odors or anything like that in there. This thing is very well made, very nicely packaged. It's got a nice little carrying handle there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the ozone generator air purifier. What a cool little thing. See you on the next video.